let's start. In scalping we are trading mostly on small time frames, which are minute 15 and lower, and we are looking for break of support or resistance and then retest or fake breakout. I will show you. So let's say this is the resistance, and the market does this, and we are looking for this, which is fake breakout, or let's say this is a resistance, and we are looking for this. Like this. So these are two scenarios most important for us. So the first one is fake breakout, which is it breaks the resistance and then comes back into under this line, under this resistance. So it's fake breakout, and in this scenario we sell here, and this is a high probability setup. And there is second scenario, the price breaks the resistance, it becomes support and retest it and goes up. We are looking for buys here, and the difference is the market goes in this scenario up, down and close under this line. We are looking for sells. In this scenario it goes up, down, and here stops and rejects this line and then goes up. So in this scenario we are looking for candlestick to close under this line and then we can sell, and in this scenario we are looking for something like this. Something like this candlestick. So I'm sure you see the difference, and the same is in the opposite. So if it's to the downside, and I will show you quickly. If the market does this, and like this, and now the market can do this or this. In this scenario we are looking for sells, in this scenario we are looking for buys here. So fake breakout or breakout with retest. So that's it, and we will analyze 3 pairs in the next lectures, and you will see how it really works. And on the minute 15 we start the analysis, we mark up the important points, support and resistance, and then we are waiting for that fake breakout or breakout with retest. So this is what we are looking for in scalping, and it's good to know the overall trend. So if the market goes down, we are looking mostly for sells, and if the market goes up, we are looking for buys. But sometimes we can trade against the trend, but it must be a clear signal that we can do it. So that's it, and see you in the next lecture.